A very big hello to my wonderful PU champions out there. Well, there's an important update, and I think this update is going to bring a lot of smiles on a lot of cute little faces out there. Well, the passing marks, as you can see, have been cut down by a few numbers. It's not going to affect a lot of you guys because anyway, whoever is watching this video is working really hard and not just aiming to pass the examination but is aiming to top the examination. But still you need to be updated, which is why there is a video on this, and let's go ahead and see the details of it. And if at all you think there's a good update, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel for all such updates, and not just updates, for studying as well. Yes. So candidates shall be declared to have passed the PUC examination if the candidate secures not less than 30% of the total marks in each subject. So in each subject, if you go, my dear children, you should not score less than 30%. So that is the bar for you to pass. Now, if at all you do not understand in the terms of percentage, we'll come by numbers as well, do not worry. So that is for each subject. But if you take an aggregate of all, then your mark should not be less than 33%. I hope that is clear. Now we'll go subject by subject. You know, there are certain subjects which do not have practical examination or internal assessment. Now these examinations would be out of 80 marks. That is how it worked until now, right? Out of 80 marks, a minimum of 24 marks, my dear children, would be your passing marks this year. Now, there's a small thing written over here, provided that this minimum marks may be relaxed or modified under exceptional condition, and that is totally governed by the state government. Okay, now, suppose you have some subject which has its own practical examination or internal assessment. In that particular case, the examination would be out of 70. Now, if it is out of 70, in each subject, your marks should be at least, you should be having a minimum of 21 marks for passing. So if it is out of 80, then 24. If it is out of 70, then 21 marks. Again, one more thing is written, provided that this again can vary depending on the state government as well. But as of now, this is something that you need to remember. Happy by the news? But as I said, does it affect us? Because no. Why? Because anyway, we are aiming for giving our best. That's why. And since you're planning to give your best, I am here to tell you about one more thing, that is about your KC90. What is KC90? It's a 90-day crash course for KCET examination as well as Comet K, which guarantees you an entry into the top engineering colleges of Karnataka, such as RV, MSRIT, BMS, and things like that. And it's high time for you to start your preparation if at all you have not done that. And if you think that, ma'am, I cannot do it alone, I do not understand from where should I start, then this particular course would be best for you, because we are going to guide you throughout the whole 90 days, my dear children. So what are we aiming for in this particular course? There will be full 11th and 12th syllabus coverage, because obviously KCET and Comet K lies around that, and then you will be having chapter wise PYQs and extra questions in the form of DPPs. And the most best part of the story is that you will get Abhyas KCET or Comet K test series, which is worth 6,000 rupees. So the previous year we had launched Abhyas KCET test series towards the examination, and it had worked wonders for all the children who took it. So same thing goes over here, but you get it for free and you get it earlier as well. Now PU2 board test series would also be there, such that your PU marks are not hampered in any ways. There will be light doubt clarification classes, there will be downloadable notes, and an exclusive WhatsApp community. So not the general WhatsApp community that we are having for this channel. There will be another community for you guys, so that any notification or any PDFs and everything could be shared through that particular community itself. And this is for online. There is offline version of the same. If at all you are someone who want to study in a classroom setup, you can avail that as well. The link of all this thing is given in the description box. Go check it out. And the pricing goes like this. So KC90 initially original price is 20,597, but as of now there is an offer price that is 9,999. If at all you do not want Comet K out there, you can just pick for KC90 crash course, which is for rupees 5,999. Similarly, you would be having Comet K crash course as well for 90 days for the same price as well. Remember, the classes are going to begin from 1st of November. On 31st of October, you would be having the live orientation, and every single day you will be having one subject. We are going to cover the topics out there, so make sure you are taking this course as soon as possible. Discuss it with your parents as well. Yes, so that's all, my dear children. Wishing you all the best. May you all be blessed. And yes, I hope your midterms are also finally over, or probably some of you might be giving an examination. For those of you, wishing you all the best. For those of you it's over, take some rest and then start off again later on, okay, and enjoy a lot. So bye bye, take care, wishing you all the best.